Hi guys, welcome to my new video. WhatsApp, the popular messaging app, is developing a feature that will enable business customers to attach messages to their notes for their contacts. Users can now store a specific message with adding additional details thanks to use this functionality. Recently, the team at WhatsApp Beta Info discovered this feature that allows users to attach notes to individual contacts on the WhatsApp web client. This is a fantastic method to add customized information to contact details for later use. The WhatsApp beta for Android 2.24.9.12 already included the Contacts Notes feature for the web UI. A new test area has been introduced to the Meta-owned platform's contact page, inviting users to add a personalized comment to a contact to make them stand out. The note, however, is only accessible by the owner of the WhatsApp account. Furthermore, the maximum text length is still unknown, although it out to be sufficient to hold certain important user data. While the future accessibility of the contact notes feature for personal users is uncertain, all indications point to its initial launch for business users, as evidenced by This is Business account label in the test account's description and the note field prompt that reads, "Add notes about your customer." This specificity underscores the value that WhatsApp places on its business users. So subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.